Hey Plastiques, welcome to yet another video. It's Joe, and today we're gonna check out the new Rainbow High Series 2. I have Karma Nichols, so I'm gonna unbox her and tell her what I think. So as you guys can see, I love Rainbow High. This series has been so good. It's been such a revival in the doll world, and I am very excited that they're doing a series 2. I mean, I gotta admit, it is a bit early, but I'm happy we're getting more dolls. I found Karma Nichols along with the 3 others, Stella Monroe, River Kendall, and Amaya Rainbow at Target. Now, there's been a lot of drama. I've seen it all on Facebook. People are mad because they're not releasing these all in one day. It's been kind of hard to get them. She was kind of hard to get. All of them were kind of hard to get. I had to go to about 5 different Targets before I convinced the stock people to go in the back and get it for me. So it was quite a bit of work. So if you guys don't have her or any of them yet in your Target, just make sure to ask the employees, because sometimes they are willing to help you, sometimes they're not. I was lucky on my 5th one, they had them and they were willing to help me, and he legit brought out a whole pallet. It was like the whole entire display, and they opened it up for me and I got to pick them. With Nicole Nichols, I'm really excited. Like, look at her. She has neon green. I'm wearing this to match, you know. And she has brown eyes, which is a first for Rainbow High. None of the girls have had brown eyes, so this is a first, and I'm really enjoying that because I also have brown eyes. And if we look in the back, we can see the artwork. And actually, interestingly, the artwork has been updated. Now, if you see the Indigo girl, what was her name? I think it was Jet Dawson or something like that. They actually updated the art because in the Bella Parker review, if you guys remember, she was actually lighter skin tone, but now they updated it so she is darker skin tone to match the new doll that's coming out. Now, that's the only one that I haven't gotten yet. I don't know when that one's being released. I'm assuming it's because they just changed the skin tone last minute, so it's gonna be the last one to be released. Let's just hope that there aren't quality control issues with them rushing that. So let's get her out of the box. And I have my sharp little pointy thing. I'm gonna do a little bit of nerdy cracker. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video. Now, I don't just do dolls, I also do doll customs, and my winter one is coming out very soon, so keep an eye out for that. A lot of tape as usual. MJ loves tape with these Rainbow High dolls for some reason. Okay, let's get her out. Ooh, there she is. Gonna get her doll stand and hangers. Okay, these are always really hard to get out. Let's see if they fix that. Okay, so there we go. And it also says to watch on YouTube. Maybe I'll do another reaction vid for the new episodes. What do you guys think? Did you guys like our last reaction vid? Oh. Okay, let's see if we could... Oh. I love the color of these boxes. They're actually... I love the packaging. I mean, the packaging is so, like, luxurious, like I've said before. So it's always a shame to open them because I always feel guilty because the boxes are actually really gorgeous. Let's take her out. Got my sharp, pointy thing. I never like that they do the hands like that. It always makes it hard. So you gotta pop up the hands sometimes, and then you never know if you're gonna rip off the hands and then your hands are ruined. Hands back on. Okay, this is my favorite part. I know nobody likes to see this, but I think this is still the best way to get them out, especially when they're so tightly on there. 3, 2, and of course there's your comb, but we don't need that. I really love that they include these. This just adds like just that extra little bit of just extra, you know? It adds a little bit more value for the doll, and I love that. These are yellow? Are these yellow? Yeah, these are yellow. I don't understand. Actually, on camera, they blend in very well to my jacket, but in person, they actually look a lot more yellow for some reason. Doesn't really match. And then her stand right here, that's the neon green. All right. Oh, wow. Oh my god, she looks gorgeous. Oh wow, guys. Look at her. Oh wow. She is beautiful. Oh, okay. First things first, if you guys saw my Sunny review, she does not have as crunchy hair. Now, first impressions, I do not like this hair. It's straight hair, and it's like,
Why?
I don't understand. Like, there's still a little bit of gel in there, but it's not as bad as it used to be. So they're listening. They know they're listening. I really love this outfit. It's very streetwear. It's so trendy. I love it. And then look at these stockings. They say rainbow on them. Yeah, there you go. Oh, wow. Look at her, you guys. I love the brown eyes. They're like hazily. They're not totally like dark brown like my eyes. You know, it's a nice change. I love the hair though. The hair is so wow, like whoa, 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 like neon green. I love it. And then the straps say rainbow. And then I love this top. It's like kind of like a corset. Let's see how it looks. And of course, her seat belt. Oh my god. Just the attention to detail. And look at that black contrasting stitching that I love. Oh wow. Now her hair is a little bit kinky from being in the package, but we'll brush that out. Her skin tone, she's actually, let me see, I think she's lighter than Skylar. Now here she is against Skylar. As you can see, she is definitely lighter. I'm not sure if it's the neon that makes her skin paler. Oh, let me see. Yeah, she has like a more pinkish tone compared to Skylar, who has more of like a more olive tone to her. So she's definitely lighter, but I still love her. But there she is. Everyone's been asking what her skin complexion is compared to Skylar. MGA, I know you guys watch her videos. Well, not me specifically, but I know you guys watch YouTuber videos, and you guys are definitely listening. Look at the nails. I did not even notice this in the box. They are painting the nails now. Oh my gosh, the nails are actually painted. They're painted a neon green. Oh, I love that. Thank you guys. Thank you, MGA. You are listening. You know what we collectors want. I love the makeup. I love the cut crease done with the neon. And then the brown shadow underneath. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Now let's see her outfit. Up close. Oh, okay. So this is actually a separate piece. I thought this was gonna be one piece, but the skirt is in two pieces. Love the detail. Love, you guys know I love layers. I love when they do doll clothes that look real. So look at that. That is one layer. So I love it. So it's more of like a bustier type top. I love it. Look at the stitching. And then the glitter. Her underskirt's a little flipped up. So yeah, she has a tulle glitter overskirt with t-shirt material underneath. So there's this underskirt made out of like t-shirt knit. And then her heels. Oh my god, her heels! I didn't even notice. The texture on the straps is like seatbelts. On the toes, I don't know if you guys can see, it says sparkle. Wow. I'm so obsessed with this doll right now. She wasn't like my total favorite when I saw the pictures, but up close, she looks amazing. Amazing. Okay, and let's check the articulation. It all works, right? Yeah, all good. Knees bend. Okay, shall we get into her second outfit? I just gotta say, this is such a small thing, but I really appreciate when they put this strap in the skirts that prevents it from going too high, because sometimes without the strap, it'll just go like right up to under the bust, but this prevents that, so I really appreciate that detail. So thank you, MGA. And now I'm gonna be Suresh and check out the quality stitching. I mean, I always did this before Suresh because I love clothes and I used to do costume. So I love the stitching. The stitching on this bustier, guys. It's unclockable. I mean, it's not lined on the inside, of course, but it's a play line, so what do you expect? But the stitching is still pretty good. I would say pretty good quality. Like, they really up the quality on these designs. No defects. Wow, I gotta say, I'm really impressed. The quality control is really good. I mean, I have to admit, I didn't want to keep bothering the people at Target. So, I mean, they went through all the hassle pulling out those crates. So I didn't want to like bug them and be like,
can I just take a peek and like pick out the perfect one out of all of them?
I just got the ones that they gave me. But I did look at them really closely and I was like,
Okay, they actually look pretty good.
let's open up these fashion packs. I love to save these boxes, so I try to open them as carefully as I can. Here's the skirt. When your children or whoever is opening these for you, make sure always keep an eye out because sometimes they have tabs, and if you're not careful, you'll just rip the clothes. So always be careful to make sure to cut those before you take them out of the box. And I personally love using a scalpel because you can get very precise. Because sometimes scissors, you know, it's too clunky and
I'm used to working in miniature, so I really like to use a scalpel just to really get in there.
and cut in the small ties. Okay, wow. Here's your lace jacket. A lace jacket, guys. And the top, or the t-shirt, which is kind of basic.
You're basic.
I mean, I feel like they've already done this like a million times. Just a white t-shirt that says rainbow on it. She doesn't come with another pair of socks. The Rainbow High designers are obsessed with including socks with heels. Like, do girls actually wear that in real life? Leave a comment. Do girls actually wear socks with heels? I don't know if I've seen that in person, to be honest. Okay, and here are the shoes. Again, with the seatbelt theme, this time in white. Let's dress her up. Okay, so they learned from their last series that the dolls aren't super tight, so they're actually easier to put on, I gotta admit. Okay, you always gotta take out the hands. There you go. Very careful. Remember, always grab them from the wrist so that you don't pull off the joint, because if you pull them from here, the hand separating from the joint and then you've ruined your hands. From the wrist, always. Okay, guys, here she is in her second outfit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Isn't it beautiful? Wow, wow, wow. Now, honestly, I think I like her first outfit, but I really love this outfit. So she has a pleather neon green skirt with a zipper at an angle down the front. I always love that they put real buckles on these dolls, guys. So she has a belt with a real buckle and a lace jacket. I don't know if you guys can see. The lace says RH, and I think it's actually the same lace from Bella. Never mind, I don't have her in her second outfit right now, and I can't be bothered to get it, but I'm pretty sure it's the same lace used in Bella Parker's second pair of tights, but just in green. But I love, you know, I love jackets. And I just gotta give a shout out to my custom, if you guys haven't seen it, because I did make a corduroy jacket in a very similar style. This is my Pumpkin Spice November custom. So if you guys haven't seen it, check it out. But yeah, it's very, very, very similar in style. I love corduroy jackets. But yeah, guys. Oh, and I didn't even notice there's pockets on the skirt. And zipper pockets. Wow. I am so impressed, you guys. Honestly, I really thought that I wasn't gonna like this one. I mean, neon green is not totally my aesthetic. This isn't even my jacket, it's my partner Adrian's. I have to say, I'm really surprised with Karma. I really like her. I really, really like her. Let's see what her appearance in the show is gonna be like. I don't think she's shown up on the show yet. We'll see what arts she pursues. But yeah, guys, I really love this doll. Tell me what you guys think. Leave a comment below. I'm trying to release these as fast as I can, especially before Christmas. I want to give you guys a nice Christmas guide. You know, I want to tell you guys what's good and what's not good to buy right now, and I have to say this is definitely a good buy. This whole week I will be releasing Rainbow High, so it's gonna be Rainbow High dolls every week, so keep an eye out. I still have Stella, Monroe, and River Candal to open. I didn't get Amaya because I already have Amaya, and I wasn't a huge fan of the doll when I saw it in person. I mean, maybe I'll change my mind. Maybe. I don't know, I kind of want them all. Like, God, MGA, they keep impressing me. We'll see. We'll see. But for now, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Subscribe to my TikTok, subscribe to my Instagram and Facebook, like us on Facebook. And I really appreciate you guys watching. Please share and tell your friends if you guys enjoy my videos. And if you don't enjoy my videos, still leave a comment. I want to hear. Tell me what I can do better. And with that said, keep it plastique.